Hi everybody, it's April from a.h.crochet.and.more, and I'm going to do my unboxing of my Leither Company yarn of the month and crochet hook. Let's see. This month it is Blooming Flowers. It does remind me of flowers. It's really pretty. I don't know how well you guys can see that. My camera's showing it pretty true to color. This is the stitch mark that comes with it. Little potted flowers. And my favorite part, the hook. Can't tell through this if it looks like it's showing. The color is pretty good. This month the hook is a D, which, let me look at the pattern real quick. Pretty succulent. I almost bought one of those yesterday, but I figured I'd just kill it, so I didn't. Let me look here. Yes, D hook is a 3.25 millimeter hook, and let's see. I don't want to. The crochet pattern for this month is the coaster. I like that coffee cup. I need that coffee cup. And the other crochet pattern is the cup. What are those called? Coffee cozy. I thought there was a knit one in here too, but maybe not. Crochet. Nope, there's no knit pattern in this one. I don't know why I was thinking, maybe I'm thinking of Knit Crate. I know she is doing a 13 days of Halloween yarn box, but you guys really need to check them out. I love their hooks, and I have to say I like them better than Brill's, if that's how you say it, if I'm saying it right. I do like their hooks better than theirs. And my hands, I'm using one right now, and my hands do not hurt at all using it. And I have some of the hooks with the bigger, like this, with the rubber on them, and my hands will still get tired using these. And so far, using the Leatherman hook, my hand has not gotten tired at all. I've sat and crocheted for hours watching TV, and my hand hasn't hurt. You guys will have to let me know if you like the white background better than the other, if it makes any difference to how you're seeing it from the dark wood background that I normally have. I moved my tables around. I prefer the other table. It's just more comfortable for me. But I thought maybe you guys would be able to see better on the white background. This is what the hank looks like, all put into a cake. And I put my little stickers on the end when I roll them up. I'd been gonna do that, and I didn't. So I usually use Scotch tape, and I finally remembered when I went to the Dollar Tree to grab some of those stickers. This is, I pay for the extra scan of yarn every month, but in the normal boxes you get, and they're deluxe I think it's called the deluxe box. You get the scan of yarn, pattern book, and the hook, stitch marker, and in the pattern book there's the it's a thing for classes. Sorry. To she has classes that you can buy online for 9 lessons or $15, and when you get the pattern book, when you get the box, the classes are free. You go in and after you enter the coupon code that is in the pattern book, it gives you the classes for free. So the classes are included in the with the box. But I mean, I've gotten this for I think 3 months now, maybe 2 months. This might be my 3rd month, and my favorite thing is the hooks. The yarn's beautiful, but I do have to say the hooks are my big thing, and I think I've said that in every video I've made. You can check them out on YouTube, or you can go to Leither.com. And this is, they do have other boxes. This is the Super Wash Merino. And the one scan is 231 yards. And they are hand dyed. And they do have a box for people that can't use wool. They have a box with cotton in it. But I wanted to do a quick video, show this to you guys, and let me know what you guys think about the background versus the darker. Let me show you. This is my darker background. I guess for me looking at it there, the white does look better, but let me know what you guys think. And I hope everybody has a great weekend. And remember to be kind to everyone. Thanks for watching.